All right, fifth grade, we're going to do our very best to do an activity with rocks through my house to your houses. So you have the sheet, activity 59, and there's a list of 15, and it asks you to use a geology guide. And the geology guide looks like this, but it's complicated, and I might pull it out in a little bit later, but I just wanted to show you what we have so far. So number 1 says the most common mineral on Earth, and I have that over here in box number 1. Let's see if we can do this. Ooh. So it's white. It's shiny, and it's most common, and this is a mineral, and your answer is that it's quartz. Quartz. Okay. Then you have, I don't have anything for number 2. I don't have a sample here, but I have a 3. 3 says mineral used to make plaster and cement. And here I have it. That's also shiny. It is white, kind of see-through. I can see can you see my finger? So it's a little bit transparent here. Make plaster and cement. And that's going to be something called gypsum. Gypsum. The number 3, gypsum. I'm getting a lot of shots of my arm here. I don't have 4. I have 5. A mineral that is highly magnetic, and it's called magnetite. Magnetite. And I'll have to look for a magnet in my house. But magnetite should be picked up because it has magnets in it. It should be picked up by a magnet. So I will try that the next time we meet together. As you can see, I don't have a 6, 7, 8, or 9. I do have a 10. So go down to number 10. And I'm scrolling on my computer one. There we go. The Grand Canyon walls are primarily made out of this rock. And reddish. This is sandstone. Sandstone. So this is mostly what the Grand Canyon is out of. So there's 10 sandstone. You should be able to spell that one. I also have 13, 14, and 15. 13 says a metamorphic rock formed from limestone. It's not limestone, but it's formed from limestone. And as you can see, there's a lot of sparkles in there. I see some white, some pink, some gray, a lot of pink on the top. But it shines, it shimmers. And that is going to be marble, M-A-R-B-L-E. Don't fall. 14 is going to be, your clue is metamorphic rock formed from sandstone. So we had 10 sandstone. This is from sandstone. And I'll show you this one here. There's a little bit of the dark side. Again, you can see that it's shining. This is called quartzite. Q-U-A-R-T-Z-I-T-E, quartzite. And then our last one here, your clue is metamorphic rock formed from shale. And so this is a dark one. You can see that it shimmers, catches the light. And this is going to be slate. Slate. So you have 3, 5, 10, 13, 14, and 15 all answered for you. We're going to go and do the others on another, well, we'll do it on maybe on Tuesday. But you today have filled out your rock cycle chart through that video, and you have started, let me close out of here. You have started this sheet, activity 59, and we answered some of those today. So that's as far as we'll get today. I'll see how I can work in this geology guide, because that's what you were to use to answer all of these. But I'll see what I can do. I've emailed the guy who writes our stuff, Nancy Larson's assistant there, and I was going to see if this was online somewhere that you guys could look them up. It's kind of cool. So we'll work on that Monday, but today we started our activity with the rock cycle, and we started naming some of our rocks. So we'll call that a wrap, and your Friday science is over. Nothing to do today for homework, just some things to fill out for your chart. Bye!